India deployed BrahMos, Akash, and Nirbhay cruise missiles at LAC with China. Welcome back to IFP News. This is an exclusive report. The 500-kilometer range BrahMos cruise missile, the 800-kilometer range Nirbhay cruise missile, along with Akash surface-to-air SAM systems, which will be able to target any aerial targets within 40-kilometer range, are now deployed against Chinese. While the PLA's Western Theater Command has deployed standoff weapons up to 2,000-kilometer range and long-range SAM system in Tibet and Xinjiang after the Ladakh standoff started. People familiar with the matter told Hindustan Times that the supersonic BrahMos, subsonic Nirbhay, as well as Akash have been deployed to counter them. India is ready for worst-case scenario. The Chinese deployment is not limited to occupied Aksai Chin, but is located in depth position from Kasgar, Hotan, Lhasa, and several other locations along the 3,488-kilometer line of actual control (LAC). India's Brahmastra, the standoff weapon, which is the BrahMos, the surface-to-surface, the air-to-surface cruise missile, with its 300 kilograms warhead, which can take care of airships in Tibet and Xinjiang, or even the warship in the Indian Ocean. The BrahMos cruise missiles has been deployed in sufficient number in the Ladakh sector, with the option to deliver the standoff weapon from the Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter jets as well. Besides, the BrahMos can be used to create choke points in the Indian Ocean using the Car Nicobar Air Base in India's Highland territories. The Indian Air Force Car Nicobar Air Base is the advanced landing ground for Sukhoi 30 MKIs. The Sukhoi 30 MKIs can use the air-to-air refuelers to protect against any PLA warship threatening our Malacca Strait. This gives India an added advantage to choke the Chinese trade routes. Moreover, a limited number of Nirbhay subsonic cruise missiles have been produced and deployed. The standoff weapon system has the range that can reach up to 1,000 kilometers and has both sea-skipping and loitering capabilities as well. This means that the missile is capable of flying between 100 meters to 4 kilometers from the ground, and it can pick up the target before engaging it. The Nirbhay missile has only a surface-to-surface version, giving a nightmare for the Chinese troops. The Indian Defence Establishment has also deployed the Akash SAM systems, which has also been deployed in sufficient number to counter any PLA aircraft intrusion across the line of actual control in Ladakh sectors. The PLA Air Force fighter activity in occupied Aksai Chin continues to increase. This is a big concern for India. The PLA air activity across the Daulat Beg Oldi sector near Karakoram Pass, posing a grave danger for the Indian supply routes. The Akash missiles, with its three-dimensional Rajendra, a passive electronically scanned array radar that has the capacity to track 64 targets at a time and simultaneously engaging 12 of them. The missile has the capacity to engage all aerial targets, including fighter jets, cruise missiles, and the ballistic missiles. This is an exclusive update from the line of actual control, and you are watching the exclusive report on IFP News channel. Kindly subscribe, share, comment, and support IFE News. Jai Hind.